Easiest one to do is hook step of the year. Okay, is there any doubt, right? It's gonna be
बातों में
काटी रात मैंने क्या
I think
joke.
I think there is doubt.
It has to be तौबा
तौबा,
तौबा तौबा.
2024 में I think one person who has reinvented herself
Yeah.
is Ananya
Ananya
Panday.
Panday.
She's chosen the roles जो उसको पता है कि उसके strength. She's making some fab choices. जो भी उसकी managing team change हुई है या awakening हुई है.
But third for me is Jigra. I found that film really appealing to me.
भाई
as
क्या
an audience.
निकालो इसको यार. निकालो यहाँ से. निकल.
जिगरा
Abbas, where is Abbas?
जिगरा comedy roles तो वो करता ही है. I think he's one of the genuinely funny guys in the newer generation जो actually ऐसे roles carry out करता है.
Everything you guys say about Varun Dhawan must be such a his ego. There are two films that both of them deserved way more credit. First, what I will mention is Buckingham Murders. Did not get like huge cinematic releases everywhere. Very underrated. A lot of people didn't even realize it came out. The most unnecessary release of the year is after a year, all of 2024, me, Snehil, Abbas, and other friends of ours who have been joining us on this show
Yes.
have spent the entire year watching and learning from all the movies that we saw. But there was one movie that stands far apart from the others as the greatest movie of all time. And that is Ishq Vishq Pyar Yaar. Ishq
इश्क प्यार व्यार. पता है कितने लोग ये ओपनिंग सुन के बंद कर देंगे एपिसोड.
Yes.
They'll be like अगर ये इनकी बेस्ट फिल्म है स्टार्टिंग में ही
Greatest film 2.
Oh my God.
तो
We
फिर
need
ये
a rebound film.
Rohit Saraf.
फिर
Love
ये
you, Rohit.
फिर ये बाकी के एपिसोड में क्या ही करेंगे.
That was complete sarcasm. That is one of the worst films ever released. Don't worry.
देखिए आपने
Ishq Vishq 2 देखी मैंने.
क्या बात कर रहे हो.
Yes.
और आपने सिंघम अगेन नहीं देखी. सॉरी भूल भुलैया 3. You chose Ishq
Can you-
Vishq 2
can you-
over भूल भुलैया 3.
Imagine how bad.
Sequel chosen.
Imagine how bad Bhul Bhulaiya 3 would have been. That this guy who was Ishq Vishq 2 was like नहीं भाई हमसे ना हो पाएगा.
I shall stay away from भूल भुलैया 3.
Yeah,
Like
right.
एक और फ्रेंचाइज सीक्वल नहीं टॉलरेट कर सकता मैं इस साल.
Yeah. So like unlike Kartik Aaryan who wants only exclusively
Exclusively is like-
other franchises that other people have built, I'll just
Yeah.
piggyback and that's my hit baby.
Corporate culture.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Corporate
Kartik
culture.
Aaryan will be in Stree 4.
स्त्री.
Stree.
Don't give
Everybody
ideas.
knows.
Don't give ideas.
Don't give ideas to
भाई
Kartik.
सोचो मैडॉक के दफ्तर के बाहर. मैं नहीं बोल रहा छोड़ो.
Dude, I have heard that because Maddox suddenly has become the biggest,
Bro, the most
production
profitable production house.
right? Become the biggest production house in India right now. Alia Bhatt was seen going into the offices.
A lot of actresses and actors were seen going into the office of Maddock. And this was right
Maddox
after.
is the only one
हाजिरी
that's
दिखाने
100%.
हाजिरी दिखा
Yeah,
जहाँ पना
like,
तोहफा कबूल
कबूल
करिए.
करे.
100% success rate है
I
भाई इस
swear
साल.
bro. 100% success.
Munjia?
rate.
100% success rate.
Stree 2
मुंजिया 3-2 तेरी बातों में सोल्जर जिया.
वो Maddox है.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
काफी लव रंजन ट्रीटमेंट है, पता है तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया का.
100% right. Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है जो भी है पर एटलीस्ट
लव रंजन ने कुछ नहीं किया ना इस साल.
नो किया है ना प्रोड्यूस किया है इस साल वाइल्ड वाइल्ड पंजाब.
ओ हाँ, तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया लव रंजन का प्रोडक्शन नहीं है.
नहीं
पक्का.
I don't.
लेकिन काफी लव रंजन वाइब्स है वो
Yeah.
फिल्म.
तू झूठी मक्कार was last year.
हाँ, it was
Yeah.
last year. Last
अच्छा.
year March. 8th March.
अब
Okay.
इसकी डायरेक्टोरियल नेक्स्ट अभी डिसाइड नहीं.
प्यार का पंचनामा 3.
भगवान जाने कब बनेगी.
So like
सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी 2. सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी सू. ट्वीटी नहीं.
Tweety Sue.
स्वीटी 2.
Tweety Sue. Yes.
But I
Sorry,
think
Tweety Sue.
Sorry. तो पता है तुम्हें बहुत फन स्टोरी बताऊं सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी की.
Oh,
जब
okay.
सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी आई थी ना तो मैं रेड एफएम में इंटर्नशिप कर रहा था. तो
Oh, poor thing.
मैं जो उसका मिडनाइट मसाला करके एक लेट नाइट शो आता था उसका, मैं उसका प्रोड्यूसर था. तो मेरी जो जॉक थी उसने जैसे मैंने किया अभी सोनू के टीटू की ट्वीटी बोल दिया था उसने. तो मैंने कहा भाई ट्वीटी नहीं है स्वीटी है. कहती यार स्नेहिल मन नहीं कर रहा स्वीटी बोलने का. तो अब ट्वीटी को ही कुछ कर. तो तुम्हें पता तुम्हारे भाई ने क्या किया था. ऑडियो एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर पे जाके ऑडियो वेव्स इतना जूम किया, स्वीटी का उठाया, ट्वीटी के काटा और उसका स वहां पे प्लेस किया. और फिर वो सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी बना.
Wow, man, that is amazing. Yeah?
दिस शोज की
That
मुझे
is so
एडिटिंग
much-
आती है,
that is
लेकिन उसके
so-
बाद ही हमारा ऑडियो खराब होता है हर
Yeah.
एपिसोड का.
Also, extremely interesting fact about how you managed to do your job.
ए आई वाज एन इंटर्न.
Oh,
उसके
still,
बाद भी मैंने जॉब
इतना
किया.
एक्सपर्ट इंटर्न नहीं होते हैं भाई.
हाँ सही बात है.
नॉर्मल एम्प्लॉइज नहीं होते.
इतना
But-
normal
but-
employees को किसी ये बकवास काम नहीं
but-
करवाएंगे.
but
वो
I
ट्वीटी
think-
चला देते.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I think she was the best mentor that I could have had.
What is her name?
Hina, she has shifted to Australia now. But
She's a radio jockey there.
no, I think she's left the radio industry. She
Okay.
shifted to Australia.
Oh, okay.
But she was the best. जितना अच्छा उन्होंने मेंटोर किया मुझे, मतलब रेडियो इंडस्ट्री की जितना समझा सकती थी मुझे 6 महीने में, उसी का खा रहा हूँ मैं आज तक, जितना मतलब मैं
Nice,
काम
bro.
कर रहा हूँ.
Nice. Still,
क्या?
you're back in radio now.
I'm back in radio, yes,
Yes,
but
correct.
I will always be very thankful to her. She was very sweet.
Special mention हिना जी.
Yes, that's the special mention award goes to.
But yes,
So what is the episode today?
we are so देखो आप लोगों ने आईफा तो देखा ही है, ठीक है, आप लोग ने फिल्म फेयर भी देखा है,
Oh, that-
स्टारडस्ट भी देखा है.
By the way, Shah Rukh is back to hosting awards.
Yes,
That's going to be a trend. We have another episode coming up about trends.
yes.
And one of the trends that we have to discuss is going to be that because Shah Rukh is back, we will see, I'm sure, a lot of more interest back in award shows.
awards
Viewership is up.
Yeah.
Just because Shah Rukh
Yeah.
is back, and the fucking award IFA that he hosted was great fun,
Great.
dude. Him and Vicky. देखा तुम लोगों ने?
नहीं अभी नहीं
Please
देखा.
watch. Please watch. Highly recommend.
तो क्या बात करते हैं. हाँ, तो अब आपने सारे अवार्ड्स तो देख लिए हैं. आपको पता है कि ये लोग यही बोरिंग कैटेगरीज, बेस्ट ये, बेस्ट वो. हम इन बोरिंग कैटेगरीज के साथ कुछ लाए हैं ऐसा एक्साइटिंग कैटेगरी.
हम सिर्फ वर्स्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. worst ये, worst वो.
Just
उसका,
साल गया है,
उसका,
उस
इसका.
हिसाब से जमता तो.
जमता तो है. But anyway, we have this is basically Pop Conversation Award 2024.
So basically, we are giving off our version of awards of this year.
Yes.
Okay. I know all of you are here with bated breath, waiting what the three of us have to
Yes.
say about the greatest film, the best actor, actress, the best music album of the year.
Yes.
Underappreciated or overappreciated movies.
इतना भी अप्रिशिएट नहीं करना था इस पिक्चर को.
Yes, you know, all of that, like movies that came out of nowhere and blew us away, movies
Yes.
that came out of everywhere and did nothing.
Hookstep of the year.
I mean,
Surprise.
is there a debate?
Best cameo, we have that category also. Unnecessary release of the year is also category that we've talked.
Oh yeah, correct.
That
So
we
a
have.
lot of fun stuff coming
Yes.
up.
Yeah.
Should we get into it? Let's get into it. Let's go. First of all, the easiest one to do is Hookstep of the year.
Hookstep.
Okay.
Okay, is there any doubt? Right? It's gonna be
तेरी
काटी रात
बातों में
काटी रात मैंने क्या
I think
joke.
then there is doubt.
I was joking.
It has to be.
It has to be
Bro, मतलब उस बंदे ने एक तो विकी कौशल, आई थिंक हर पंजाबी आर्टिस्ट को विकी कौशल को पैसा देना चाहिए कि मेरे गाने पे रील बना दे.
हाँ bro, for sure.
आई थिंक उसने ऑब्सेस्ड पे रील बनाया था. उन बंदों ने पूरा टूर कर लिया इंडिया का, किसी ने ऑब्सेस्ड के अलावा और कोई गाना नहीं सुना उन बंदों का. ठीक है, बट मैंने उनको लाइव अटेंड किया था. डीजे स्नेक का कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा था एंड उस पे दे हैड अ सरप्राइज अपीयरेंस. ऑब्सेस्ड जब गाना उनका आया था. नहीं सॉरी, वो
whatever, you're saying Karan Aujla.
वो Lamborghini था. Fuck, sorry. Anyway, तो
Karan-
yeah,
Prove your point.
what I was
Proving
saying,
his point.
exactly what I was saying was कि विकी कौशल को पैसा देना चाहिए हर पंजाबी आर्टिस्ट को कि भाई इस पे
True.
एक रील बना दे बस.
I think Vicky just seems like he's having fun, dude.
And that's the best part.
That's the vibe, yeah.
That's the
what
best
I want.
part because विकी कौशल मतलब मैं तो बार बार कहता हूँ विकी कौशल एक पंजाबी लड़के की ड्रीम जी रहा है. जो सपने हम लोग देखते हैं कि भाई इतने बड़े एक्टर बन जाएं, इतना पैसा हो जाए, कटरीना जैसी बीवी हो जाए, वो सारे सपने विकी कौशल जी रहा है.
Yeah.
Good times.
And interestingly, वो पूरे तौबा तौबा गाने में this step has been done only once.
Dude, yeah.
हाँ.
No,
Yeah,
like
it has still become the hook step.
no, like Tawba 4, and then repeats, and then again.
Yeah,
so
because
there's two
every
times.
beat पे अलग अलग है.
Correct,
Like
correct.
this is more.
हाँ.
Tawba,
Still,
But
hook
this-
step उसने
yeah.
वो बना दिया because of Aziz. And it all credit goes to Vicky.
Obviously, bro.
Also
I mean, the
Bosco for
choreographers,
creating-
bro, the choreographers.
Bosco for creating it,
Yeah,
but like
of course.
Vicky has pulled
And
it
the
off
backup
in great.
dancers. Let's give everyone credit, bro. The set design was really good. Trupti looking, doing nothing in the corner was also great.
Tripti for being there.
Trupti just having
Moral
a good time.
support.
Yeah,
But
moral
she was
support.
not there in the step, no?
Not
Like
in the
during
step.
the step.
No, she's in the foreground and these guys in the background. Am I right? Am I right?
हाँ, ठीक
Something
है.
like that. Something like
हाँ,
that.
कहीं
ठीक
तो
है.
है.
तो Hooks of the Year.
Hooks of the Year, unanimously.
काटी रात मैंने
Goes
खेतों में तू आई नहीं.
But एक वो वाला भी वैसे कंटेंशन में देखा जाए तो वो भी चला था. तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा
वो
जिया.
तो-
देखो
अच्छा, ठीक है.
कंटेंशन में तो और भी बहुत है. वो भी था ना
आज की रात बना हुस्न का
ओ हाँ,
आँखों से लीजिए. बात है यार. You did it so well, dude.
भाई वो डांसर है, वो ट्रेन्ड
Really?
डांसर है.
You're trained dancer.
या
उसको
क्या बात
प्रॉपर
कर रहे हो?
कंटेम्पररी आता है.
तो ये स्टेप मैं क्यों कर रहा था?
फंस तो उसी में.
He's a trained dancer. अपने
Can have you figured out the Vicky step?
ना,
साले झूठ बोलता
मैंने
है.
एक बार इंटॉक्सिकेटेड हालत में किया था.
And that worked then.
तब तो किया था. या तो मुझे ही समझ नहीं आया कि किया नहीं किया.
इंटॉक्सिकेटेड कैसे हो जाए? नशे में था, बोलने से बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी लाइफ में.
अरे पता नहीं
नशे से चढ़
किसको
गई.
क्या नशा लगे. दारू का नशा था guys.
Okay, fair enough. So yes, hook step.
Yeah,
Sorted.
concept तो ये.
Obviously,
Yes.
हाँ.
Do you think Vicky gets any other award from our awards? Best actor somewhere?
नहीं.
If there was a category called
Swag of the year.
Hottie
Making-
of the year.
Hottie of the year.
Making a film bearable award.
Exactly.
That would
वही
have
मैं
gone
कह
to
रहा था.
Vicky
For sure.
Kaushal.
Didn't you
Exactly.
also do that Great Indian Wedding? इस साल थी क्या? नहीं वो
No,
last
no,
year थी.
last
Last year.
Great Indian Wedding?
Yeah. Great Indian Wedding नहीं. Family. Great Indian
Great
Family.
Indian Family. मानुषी
वो नहीं
चिल्लर.
देखी मैंने.
हाँ बहुत ही बेकार.
वो चिल्लर गायब हो गई है, कहाँ है वो?
बस
आई थी ना बड़े मियां
वो
छोटे.
पानी होने के बाद
Oh,
पानी
dude,
होके
हाँ,
निकल
बड़े
गई.
मियां छोटे मियां में थी वो.
Yeah. Dude, in the award function, IFA, where Vicky Kaushal and Shah Rukh are hosting together, Vicky is asking, like one of the bits is that Vicky is asking Shah Rukh for like tips, like career advice and how to proceed further and all. Okay, and then talking about eras gone by of cinema and eras currently. Okay, so like comparing the two. And so Shah Rukh at some point goes, हाँ पर तू पहले तो मेरे को ये बता, तू बोलता है कि लिरिक्स चेंज हो रहे हैं, ये मैं पानी हो गई, पानी कहाँ से निकल रहा था पानी यार, what are you talking about? What is this पानी हो गई? And Vicky's like, वो of course sir, वो घर से निकली, बारिश होने लगी, वो खत्म घर में भूल गई थी, तो वो पानी हो गई.
ऐसा ये क्लिप इसका करण जौहर और शाहरुख का भी है कि आज की जनरेशन को पिछली जनरेशन से क्या सीखना चाहिए. एक्टिंग. शाहरुख बोलता है. और एनीवे
देखो बात तो सच है.
बात तो सच है.
Yeah,
सच कह रहा
बाकी
है.
सब कुछ कर लेंगे ये लोग,
हाँ.
सिर्फ एक्टिंग नहीं हो रही है इनसे.
हाँ.
सही बात है dude.
Right.
और वो हमें पता लगा, हमने जब अवार्ड डिसाइड करे तो हमारे पास बेस्ट एक्टर बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस के लिए तो लिटरली सर्च करना पड़ा कौन सी फिल्में आई हैं भाई इस साल.
You know, so I just went with like, so mine aren't necessarily critically acclaimed or a क्या
हाँ मतलब अगर आपने फिल्म एंजॉय करी है तो आपके लिए बेस्ट एक्टर और बेस्ट फिल्म है.
Exactly.
एज सिंपल एज दैट.
Exactly.
अगर हम लोग इतना सोच के देने लग जाएंगे अवार्ड तो फिर फीफा का तो फीफा कह रहा हूँ, फिल्म फेयर का तो धंधा बंद हो जाएगा ना.
FIFA का तो.
फिल्म फेयर का तो धंधा खत्म.
So how do we start?
आई थिंक बेस्ट एक्टर बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस बेस्ट फिल्म ये तीनों एंड में देने चाहिए.
हाँ.
Oh, like
Suspense.
actual awards.
लाइक एक्चुअल अवार्ड्स. ये तो मतलब हाँ.
हाँ.
लेट्स
चलो,
स्टार्ट
ठीक है.
विद
Best album? Easy.
चलो ठीक है बेस्ट
Best
एल्बम.
album.
ठीक है.
I have a great one. Can I go?
इवन आई हैव अ ग्रेट वन. बताओ.
Same हो गया, मजा आ जाएगा.
बहुत है.
तेरी बातों में.
तेरी बातों में मजा आ जाएगा. Yes.
Nice.
I was going to say Amar Singh Chamkila, just
okay.
for
Oh.
that live performances.
Yeah, fair. I
The
get
live. I'm not saying the गाने जो
हाँ.
बाकी के created वाले थे,
हाँ.
but like the live performances, they were like great.
तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया हर गाना बैंगर है उसका.
Yeah, great.
हर गाना बैंगर है और सारे ट्रेंडिंग है.
Yeah, correct. सारे
मतलब बहुत कम आप
trending.
नॉर्मली मूवी से एक गाना ट्रेंड करता है. ठीक है. तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया कि सारे गाने ट्रेंड करे हैं.
जब देखे
तेरी लाल पीली आँखें एक
Yeah,
वो हो गया.
my second one would have been
तेरी बातों में ऐसा
और
उलझा
Street
जिया.
Food.
फिर उसके बाद वो भी तुमसे ये तुमसे सियाह रात है. आई थिंक तेरी बातों में ऐसा
अखियाँ
उलझा जिया.
गुलाब.
हाँ. तेरी आँखें कमाल
हम ज्यादा ही नाच रहे हैं.
हाँ, nice.
बेस्ट एल्बम ऑफ द ईयर में तो
आकाश अब कुछ तो करके दिखाना
आकाश
पड़ेगा
तुझे तो
यार.
डांसर करना चाहिए
कुछ तो करना
यार.
है
ये तो
यार.
मतलब
मैंने सिर्फ पैर टिका के बैठा हूँ.
बेसिक्स हैं ये तो यार. डांसर को तो मौका चाहिए होता है
एंड
करने
करेंगे एंड करेंगे
एक
तौबा तौबा
कलाकार.
करते हुए.
हाँ.
तो बस ऑडियंस चाहिए, विलिंग ऑडियंस.
हाँ. वेट टिल एंड वी विल ऑल डू तौबा तौबा.
मैं तो नहीं कर मेरे को आता ही नहीं है.
तो मेरे को बड़ा आता है. ऐसे क्या बात कर रहा
चलो ठीक है कर लेंगे तीनों करेंगे एंड में तौबा तौबा.
हाँ.
Yes.
चलो.
डन सीन्स. ठीक है।
People tuned out
So
already.
best
कि ये एंड है भाई, हमें तो नहीं कर रहा है सब.
So best album.
तेरी बातों में से चल जिया, तनिष्क बागची, सचिन जिगर,
But shout out to
अमर सिंह चमकीला,
Yes. To Diljit
to Diljit,
and
to
Parineeti
Parineeti Chopra, to
and
Imtiaz Ali,
Imtiaz
and Mohit Chan.
and other people who were involved with the film.
Yes,
So many.
Okay.
exactly.
Let's go. The next one should be
Underrated film of the year?
yeah. There were quite a few.
Yeah.
Oh, same. I have 3 options for underrated film of the year. We can choose one.
So I have 2 which are actually underrated, and one that I thought should get a mention somewhere as being a decently enjoyable film.
Okay.
So like that way underrated. But
ठीक
it's not
है।
like अरे बहुत ही
कमाल थी।
पिक्चर है पर बहुत लोगों ने देखी नहीं.
Okay,
So
fair.
I'll do this third one first, which
Okay.
is like just it is an okay film, like an enjoyable watch. So it's underrated in that sense. I would say is Khel Khel mein. Slightly underrated.
I had this in my mind also.
Okay.
Nice.
But it's not a fantastic movie.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not that.
Fair,
Nobody's
fair.
saying that.
I agree. I agree.
Okay. But it's a movie you can check out. It's fun. अगर टाइम पास कर रहे हो, you're sitting with friends, you're sitting with
हाँ,
your
Netflix पे आ गई
significant
है.
other.
Netflix पे आ गई है. देखो आराम
It's
से
a good,
बैठ के.
decent, fun watch.
Yeah,
Okay, you have a good time. Akshay Kumar gets some good comedic moments
हाँ,
too.
अब अब्बास
you
को
know,
नहीं
Fred.
पसंद आई थी by the way.
अब्बास को तो
You at least catch a glimpse
पसंद
of the OG comedy Akshay.
Yeah.
correct, exactly that.
Yeah.
Exactly that.
Glimpses of.
Then I would say then there are 2 films
Hmm.
that both of them deserved way more credit than they got.
Okay.
Especially the one I will mention second.
Okay.
Okay. The first what I will mention is Buckingham Murders. Did not get like huge cinematic releases everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Very underrated. A lot of people didn't even realize it fucking came out.
That's also out on Netflix by the way. अगर आप लोग
Yeah.
देखना चाहो तो
हाँ.
do watch it. Kareena Kapoor gives one of the best performances.
Yeah, really understated Kareena performance, like very natural. Also, like the woman is disturbed. She's a detective who recently lost a child.
Yeah.
So she's mentally disturbed, going through a case of a kidnapped child.
Yeah.
All that.
Yeah.
So very cool. The whole web of
Dynamic and
lies
everything
this
is very good.
thing. So she does a fantastic job. I would even say go as far as she's definitely one of the 4 runners in my list for best actress.
Okay.
Okay. So that was number 2. So up till now, I've said Khel Khel mein decent. You can watch it. Buckingham Murders is a very good watch.
Yeah.
It's very extremely underrated. Like perfectly what you think of an underrated film. This is Buckingham Murders.
Yeah.
And then, dude, Akshay Kumar in Sarfira.
Sarfira. I also have Sarfira as my most underrated film. And I don't. जब आपके घर पे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे मैंने तब भी बोला था कि
Yes.
सरफेरा को जबरदस्ती हेट मिल रहा है बिकॉज इट्स अ रीमेक. इस सिर्फ इसलिए उसको हेट मिल रहा
Correct
है.
that, and because
अक्षय
goodwill is gone down right now.
Yeah.
बट सरफिरा इज अ वेरी गुड फिल्म. स्टोरी तो चेंज करी नहीं है उन्होंने. स्टोरी तो वही है.
तूने ओरिजिनल देखी है?
नहीं
मैंने
नहीं
नहीं
बट चेंज नहीं करी है ये मुझे पता है.
I know.
तो आई थिंक इट्स one of the good films of the year. Like I will go as far as to say this कि भाई
I would agree.
वो one of the very good films of the year है. वो एवरेज भी नहीं है, वो अच्छी फिल्म है.
Yeah.
अक्षय कुमार की एक्टिंग रेंज कमाल है.
Dude, great in that film.
राधिका मदन ने कितना बढ़िया काम किया है फिल्म
Dude,
में.
again, agreed, 100% agree. She was so good in that film.
She was so good in that film. Paresh Rawal, very good in the film.
Yeah, very good.
Obviously.
Yeah.
तो
So what the movie is about, I'm sure a lot of people haven't seen
yeah,
it. It's about, it loosely follows the rise of Air Deccan.
yeah.
Air Deccan was an affordable airline in India back in about, I think, more than a decade back or something. And it ran for a while, but then it got bought over by Kingfisher, and Kingfisher only went under, you know, as you know. But Air Deccan, the aim was to have an affordable airline that
Yeah.
almost anyone can afford.
Yes.
To the point, in the flight, it was a first come first serve basis, yes. But in the flight, they had a few free tickets also on every flight because they wanted everyone to be able to fly. So it's the story of that founder, played by Akshay Kumar, and his 2 other colleagues, like co-founders, who
Yeah.
went about founding Air Deccan and how they made that
Happen basically. मतलब
And
जिस वजह
the
से
other
आप
competitors in the space,
जिस
all
वजह
that.
से आप आज फ्लाई कर पा रहे हो उसी की स्टोरी है एक तरीके से.
Correct. In a way, also this movie, it's not just okay, सिर्फ you know origin story है. It's not just
Yeah.
that, dude. This movie talks about corruption in various ways. Movie talks about bureaucracy, government bureaucracy in various ways. It talks about entrepreneurship and just not, you know, a lot of people just don't get a fair deal in life, like a
Also
fair
how
hand
the
in life.
how
This
the
is-
how
and
the
it's about
big birds,
perseverance.
how the big birds of the industry control everything and they don't
Exactly.
let other people enter.
Exactly. So like fucking corruption is everywhere, and this
Yeah.
movie shows it in like a very cool way.
So my top contender, like actually the answer, the winner for me
I would say
was also Surfira, and Surfira is also out on OTT now. Hotstar पे है. Please जाके देखो, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
I also have to watch it. I have not.
You haven't watched it? Please
Yeah.
watch it.
Also,
Surfira
I
is a
must
very
say,
good film.
so this is a movie where Akshay Kumar and Radhika Madan are clearly fucking, you know, age-wise quite
Yeah.
apart.
And they've played
They
right
played
into it. Yes.
that
Yes.
very well. Okay, and it works. Radhika Madan, you again, you know, this is one of those roles I last fell in love with Radhika Madan on Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. Okay, now again I fell in love with Radhika.
Radhika
Madan
was
because
great in the film. She was
great.
great in the film.
So again, yeah, highly recommended.
या fully recommend. मेरे जो बाकी के 2 ऑप्शंस थे वो थे, एक ऐसे था जैसे आपने खेल में बोला, मेरा भी वैसे था कि अच्छी फिल्म थी, लोगों ने देखी, बट और देखते तो मजा आ जाता, मतलब और भी ज्यादा देखते तो मजा आ जाता. दोनों ही मेरे वो ऑप्शंस हैं, एक थी मडगांव एक्सप्रेस और दूसरी 2 और 2 प्यार.
Okay, fair enough.
Okay.
मुझे
Mardgaon
दोनों
Express,
मतलब आई
very
थिंक
good film, yeah.
फाउंड इट्स ऑडियंस,
Yeah.
बट और ज्यादा देखते तो और बढ़िया लगती. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी कॉमेडी लगी, वो बहुत टाइम बाद एक अच्छी कॉमेडी.
Mardgaon Express actually, like, I तो loved so much. It's in my, like, you know, one of the
Downloaded
contenders
well
in my
list.
best film.
बेस्ट फिल्म. ओके.
But it's
और
only one of the contenders.
दूसरी है दो और 2 प्यार, दैट्स आल्सो आउट on Hotstar, I guess.
Vidya Balan.
Vidya Balan
and
Gandhi,
Pratik
Pratik Gandhi, Ilyana,
Sen-
and
Oh, so Madgaon and Pratik Gandhi. Sorry, Madgaon and दो और दो प्यार.
उसमें दोनों में Pratik
दोनों में
Gandhi.
Pratik.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So my
Akash.
3 were, one was Khel Khel mein.
Yeah.
One which did well, did good numbers. I just think it was underappreciated for something that it tried to do something new. Was Fighter. I felt the aerial action.
Wait,
that
Fighter was 2024?
January.
Yeah,
Yes.
January.
Oh.
So my thing is the aerial action that they tried to show.
Fair enough. I get
It
it.
was very new. It was very
और
something
अच्छे से
very
किया था.
different and it was
अच्छे से
done
किया.
very
It
well.
was very
Just
well
for
done.
that thing, I felt it was very underrated. Just for that. बाकी ठीक है, बाकी film is a different thing, but like they were attempting something new and they needed to be credited for that, which I felt नहीं हुआ था. So वो third for me is
Nice.
Jigra. I found that film really appealing to me.
भाई
as
क्या
an audience.
निकालो इसको यार. निकालो यहाँ से. निकल.
जिगरा सिर्फ
अब्बास. Where is Abbas?
जिगरा सिर्फ आप ही को नहीं पसंद आई भाई.
अब्बास भी पसंद नहीं आई.
अब्बास को तो कुछ भी नहीं पसंद आता ना भाई.
हाँ, पर जिगरा
अब्बास को कभी-कभी वो खुद
बहुत-
नहीं पसंद आता. वो.
जिगरा बहुत लोगों को पसंद नहीं आई.
क्या बात कर
बहुत
रहे
लोगों
हो?
को. I know
मैंने सभी
Urjita-
नहीं देखी थी ना, तो इसलिए मुझे तो आ गई.
Urjita really liked it. Just shout out to Urjita.
यार
Rani.
उर्जिता, हम तुम्हें बार-बार पॉडकास्ट पे ला रहे, तुम आ क्यों नहीं रही हो यार?
हम बार-बार तो नहीं बुलाए.
नहीं बुला रहे क्या?
हमने
अच्छा.
2 बार बुलाया है. बेचारी.
वो मुझे लगा आपने बोला उसको 2-4 बार.
दिन रात उसके पीछे थोड़ा पड़ रहा था यार कि आधा, बट प्लीज कम Urjita.
हाँ प्लीज यार उर्जिता कम. वेयर इज अब्बास शायद कम लिखें लोग उसके बाद.
At least someone from Hazard has shown up. Correct. Okay, fair enough. Jigra. Okay, I get
Yeah,
it.
these-
I
So
get it.
which one would like be the top number for you? Top
For
spot.
in these 3, I would say खेल खेल में, because जिगरा का अलग ही एक चीज हुआ है, and I think it was more than underrated. It was controversial because of everything.
मतलब I would agree that Jigra didn't get its share.
Yeah, उसके
No, I
around
think it got
negativity
more
इतनी
than
हो
its
गई थी.
share.
उसके अराउंड नेगेटिविटी इतनी हो गई थी कि it just suffered.
Fair.
खेल खेल में was actually a film that was underrated as per it deserved to be.
नहीं it
So
was.
top में अभी खेल खेल मेरा.
So, dude, you know, like, so internet right now, no, the internet right now is a crazy place because, like, especially YouTube, because what happens with Bollywood stuff on YouTube right now, no, everyone, there are so many guys, including us also, right?
Yeah.
Everyone is making a video essay, okay, on something. There's Sanjay Dutt's life, ka crazy story janiye, okay, that's the video essay. Karan Johar selling off Dharma ka 50% stake, that's a video essay. Okay, why this is happening? I just saw a video essay just yesterday or maybe day before yesterday about Alia Bhatt and her connection with Karan Johar and how they have helped her. And are they like, you know, is it like now shifting in the sense now being associated with Karan Johar is harming her more than benefiting her? Again, what I'm saying is that it doesn't matter whether these video essays are correct or wrong. There are a dime a dozen. There's a video essay about everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this video essay, they were talking about, and this actually was pretty interesting to me. So you know that whole thing happened with the interview with Vasant Bala, Karan Johar, and Alia.
कि मैंने डायरेक्टली आलिया को फॉरवर्ड कर दी.
Correct.
एंड वसंत बाला वाज लाइक
क्यों
कि
की,
मैंने
कि
लिखी
मैं wasn't ready.
पूरी लिखी नहीं थी ढंग से,
हाँ.
आपने एकदम से क्यों कर दी?
Dude, to me, this is such a regular thing for a producer of a film. Okay, just to see, Alia is the star to be involved, I feel she was already on board to do the film, or she was going to be one of the first options anyway. Okay, sending it ahead as a possible star of the film is totally fine with me if you're the producer who's producing the film, right?
Yeah.
लोग इतना बवाल मचा चुके हैं
ब्रो
इस बारे में.
लोग गधे हैं, ठीक है. मैं आपको मुझे
Exactly.
सो मुझे कुछ चीजों से तो मुझे नहीं पता किसकी वीडियो की बात कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं कर रहे.
हाँ.
मुझे बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है जब लोगों को लगता है कि हम पंचअप कर सकते हैं तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. लाइक आई पंचअप और पंच डाउन नहीं होता कि अगर कोई आपसे ऊपर है तो आप उसका मजाक उड़ा सकते हो, ठीक है. तो मतलब मुझे, मैं वही कहूँ, आप तो कॉमेडियन हो, मैंने किसी कॉमेडी वीडियो से ही तो देखा था. बट एनीवे, सो मतलब अभी एक वीडियो में देख रहा था, अभी आई थिंक रणबीर कपूर ने बोला है कि व्हेन आई फर्स्ट मेट आलिया, उसको नहीं पता था किशोर कुमार कौन है. ठीक है भाई, आलिया कितने साल,
What?
अरे एक सेकंड.
Oh, जब बच्ची थी वैसे तब.
सो व्हेन ही मेट आलिया शी वाज वेरी यंग.
Oh, I thought when he met her and like she was like 25,
ब्रह्मास्त्र एंड ऑल. नहीं तब की बात नहीं है.
That is insane. That was
यार, बट द थिंग इज कि अगर उसे 25 साल की उम्र में भी नहीं पता किशोर कुमार कौन है तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
That's true.
द पॉइंट इज कि why would you go on and troll आलिया भट्ट और रणबीर कपूर और call them toxic और call them, तुम दोनों एक दूसरे के बारे में बात मत किया करो क्योंकि तुम्हें लगता है कि किशोर कुमार का जानना एक मैंडेट होना चाहिए. नहीं होना चाहिए. It's fine.
100% you're right. But also like, so trolling for shit people say is very common and it's gonna happen till the end of
नहीं,
time.
I
You
get
can't
it.
stop people doing that.
अरे मैं वो नहीं कह रहा, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे बहुत स्टूपिड लगता है कि लोग ऐसा बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं कि ओ इसको ये नहीं पता, ये तो पता ही होना चाहिए था. क्यों पता होना चाहिए था भाई? और जबरदस्ती ट्रोल मत करो.
But
मतलब
dude, see, the thing is, Alia also, she has had the Prithviraj Chauhan thing following her throughout her career.
I know.
So she will have that. People are still
एक तो
gonna
I
find
feel
ways.
उसको इतना पकड़ा लोगों ने.
हाँ.
उसी समय वरुण धवन ने भी मनमोहन सिंह बोला था. No one caught that and no one questioned it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what. और आलिया,
उसका
You know,
पीछे.
one of my favorite like badass Alia moments was
when she did this with AIB.
No, that too, yes, was a
That
great
was-
great video,
owning up
yeah.
to it, great PR, whatever, right? No, there's one like a press thing going on, and someone asks her,
Oh yes, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
आपको पता है उसका सिंगापुर
हाँ,
का
हाँ,
उसे
she gets so pissed and walks
Yeah,
and comes back and
yeah.
तेरे को तुम्हें सिंगापुर का प्रेसिडेंट पता है, तुम्हें ये
हाँ.
पता है, तुम्हें वो पता है, then you don't start bro unless you know वैसे कुछ
But
बोलते हैं.
exactly, that's actually right.
Yeah, you're right.
That is 110% right. But like all these people are like making videos कि रणबीर is such a toxic husband कि वो
Dude,
अपनी
yeah,
वाइफ के बारे में
that's
ये
it.
सब बोल रहा है.
Yeah.
आलिया is such a this कि उसको ये नहीं, और उसको नहीं भी पता तो रणबीर को बोलना नहीं चाहिए. अरे उन दोनों का डायनामिक है.
वही.
उसने एक
There are
बात,
people saying ये this is Ranbir's revenge for the wipe it off comment.
अबे
Like people have gone to another length. Baba.
Wait.
Moving on.
हाँ, moving on please. And
Yes.
people please find better things to rant about, I guess.
Yes,
Yeah.
do that. You know,
Yeah.
I would say. I actually like. Again, I'm a big fan of Trident Films Productions. His basically anything he says does not come off as a rant. Firstly, because he has a
Yeah.
very soothing voice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know. So Jamie, please come on the show firstly.
Yeah.
And also, dude, his videos are still fine. He doesn't go on like pointless rants and like just to demean someone. Like you know, like
हाँ.
we clearly when we do stuff, we are clearly doing it as a joke.
हाँ.
Okay. If that intention is not clear, if the joke intention is not clear, it seems very off to me, dude. So the joke intention has to be clear. Or
For sure.
That's
For
what I always
sure.
say.
Yeah. By the way, Jamie is a college senior.
Who's?
My college senior.
Jamie?
Jamie.
Shit, dude.
भाई शाहरुख भी तेरा कॉलेज सीनियर है.
Yeah,
नहीं, Jamie. वो
wow, are you
अनमोल-
having a competition? Who's the most unsuccessful alumni from this college?
And the award goes to
Nicely done, bro. तू स्नेल के साथ रुक रहा है.
सही में देखो.
और मैं विप्स का भी मोस्ट फेमस बंदा मेरे.
भाई.
आस्था गिल, रफ्तार, ये सब मेरे ही कॉलेज के हैं.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ.
Who else is famous from your college, man?
भाई
अनुराग
शाहरुख खान के
कश्यप.
अलावा और कोई नाम चाहिए आपको?
अनुराग
Dude,
कश्यप.
देखना भाई, यही तो चाहिए.
अनुराग कश्यप हंसराज का है.
यही तो चाहिए भाई.
और
वाह यार.
अभी और नहीं याद आ रहे भाई, इतने हैं.
और का जवाब होता है.
अनुराग कश्यप, आकाश भट्टाचार्य.
देखा आपने बोला ना, जोक इंटेंशन क्लियर होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
तो देखो, यहाँ पे joke
वही
intention-
क्लियर कर रहा
Dude,
था.
Sachin Jigar were from my school. Okay? From my boarding school, Sanjay Vidyalaya. Karan Johar was from my high school, Green Lawns
हाँ,
high
Green
school
Lawn, yes,
in
yes,
Breach
yeah,
Candy.
right.
Okay? Then who else, dude? Just a couple of
KK is
hands
from
in.
my school.
KK is from my school.
KK is from my school.
Oh,
You know that guy Gaurav Kapoor, जो cricket
Yeah,
interview
yeah,
करता
yeah.
है? He's also
Breakfast
from
with Champions.
Yeah.
Breakfast with Champions. Yes, he's also
Yeah,
from my school.
Okay, fucking hell.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, guys.
I'll also
All
be
these-
from my school.
Yes, all these more successful people that
Then
we have
us,
shouted out,
yes.
please come on the show.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's go then.
Next.
Overrated film of the year.
Underrated हो गया, overrated makes sense to do. Yes, next. मैं बोलूं?
बोलो.
Jigra is overrated as
What?
fuck, dude. Jigra and Singham were the two most overrated films for me this year. Singham.
Okay. What's your option?
The Diwali releases, guys.
Same.
Both Bhool Bhulaiya 3 and
Bhool
Singham
Bhulaiya
Yeah,
3 and
yeah.
Singham again.
Fair,
Yeah, very overrated.
Too much.
I was actually, मैंने I think one of the previous episodes में बोला भी है कि I was actually looking forward to watching Bhool Bhulaiya 3 and Singham again.
No, but you look forward to dumb things.
नहीं.
There is no way these movies are going to be good anyway.
अरे नहीं, but ये ट्रेलर आने से
Right.
पहले I was looking forward to them.
But again, why? Because
क्योंकि यार पूरे साल
Bollywood वाले हम तो
पूरे
देखते हैं।
साल कोई भी आउट एंड आउट मासी फिल्म नहीं आई थी और मुझे
Correct, bro.
देखनी थी
But see,
बट
the thing
थोड़ा
is-
सा ब्रेन्स चाहिए था मतलब शायद
okay, I still understand because Singham has like this fucking mad mass appeal that people
yeah.
love. Okay, but Bhool Bhulaiya 3 तो for sure.
So I'll tell you why
Would've been bad only.
I'll tell you why Bhool Bhulaiya 3 because I was excited about Vidya Balan coming back. I was excited कि ये न्यूज आ गई थी कि विद्या और माधुरी का फेस ऑफ होने वाला है डांस में.
Really?
हाँ हाँ.
ये
तो
leak आ गया था.
मतलब ये पता था कि ये होने वाला है तो आई वाज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. मैंने एक जगह पे ये पढ़ा था दैट भूल भुलैया 3 will probably connect to 70% of भूल भुलैया, the first one.
Okay.
तो आई वाज आल्सो एक्सपेक्टिंग कि शायद अक्षय कुमार का कोई रेफरेंस या कुछ आ जाए. तो मैंने ये 3-4 चीजें थी मेरे माइंड में जो मुझे लगा था कि शायद क्लिक कर जाए बट वो नहीं किया. क्या करें सैडली.
Sorry to backtrack. मैंने underrated में 2 फिल्में I think we should have mentioned is मैदान and चंदू चैंपियन. I think both of them
underrated.
were underrated because both of them did not work and
They're
they were
good.
decent enough efforts.
Oh, okay. Chandu Champion was good.
चंदू चैंपियन decent enough effort.
Okay. Okay.
जितना था वो.
बट
So just
हाँ मतलब
special
अगर
mention.
भूल भुलैया 3 मतलब कार्तिक्स
नहीं, वो
परफॉर्मेंस
कार्तिक की बात
वही
हुई,
कह रहा
इसलिए
हूँ
मेरे को याद है।
कार्तिक्स परफॉर्मेंस इन भूल भुलैया 3 वर्सेस कार्तिक्स परफॉर्मेंस इन चंदू चैंपियन
Chandu Champion नहीं, Chandu.
चैंपियन.
Champion.
I would choose Chandu Champion. Yes.
Yes, चंदू चैंपियन.
But yeah, overrated films have to be
Bhool Bhulaiya
Singham
3
and
Singham.
Bhool Bhulaiya 3.
Both,
yeah.
both.
Alright, fair enough.
Oh, now I have a very fun category. Unnecessary release of the year.
Oh.
Like जो फिल्म आप चाहो कि ना ही होती तो क्या ही
पहली
मतलब.
बात तो भूल भुलैया 3. Okay, completely unnecessary. Nobody wanted it.
अंतरिक्ष का अगला होगा जिगरा.
जिगरा भी बोल सकते हैं, but necessary तो थी. You know, I wanted to see what Vasan Bala's next project is. Working with Alia Bhatt would have been interesting. Could have been very good. I was actually quite excited for it when Jigra came out, but I just did not like it as much as I thought I would. The most unnecessary release of the year is the movie I started the episode with, which was Ishq Vishk 2. Okay, completely fucking pointless, horrible
पता
movie.
है,
There
मैं-
are entire plot lines in the film that start, go nowhere, they forget about it. Like
मैं-
क्यों ही किया?
मैं ऐसी फिल्म बोलने वाला हूँ जो आप लोग को पता भी नहीं होगी कि रिलीज हुई थी. मतलब इसको पता होगी क्योंकि हम लोग साथ ही रहते हैं तो मैं बक बक करता रहता हूँ. पर आपको आई एम श्योर यू बी लाइक कि ओ ये इस साल आई थी या ये आई भी थी.
Okay.
माई अननेसेसरी फिल्म ऑफ द ईयर इज युद्रा.
Oh, this is that one. The Siddharth.
सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी.
Oh, Siddharth
and
Chaturvedi.
That was Yoda.
That was Yodha.
that was
both
Yodha.
can be.
That's what I'm saying.
Both
you know?
can fall in that
Oh,
category.
shit, dude.
Yudhra.
But similar concept and all, no?
No, dude, it's a
No,
crazy,
very different.
very different. नहीं bro, युद्रा मतलब सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी अगर किसी और चीज में इन्वेस्ट करता, एक अच्छी एक्शन फिल्म बनाता तो ज्यादा बढ़िया होता उसके लिए भी. युद्रा is not a
This is supposed to be an action film.
yeah.
Any good action?
Decent, but the thing is कि random action with zero story does not work. No,
not work at all.
Raghav Juyal is very good in the film. He's
Oh,
one
okay.
of the villains.
He's in the film.
Yeah, but
Bro, also, yeah, okay, yeah, go ahead.
ये राघव के नाम से ज्यादा अंडररेटेड में किल भी डाल सकते हैं.
Kill was not underrated.
Kill was definitely
it
underrated,
was.
but I would say it,
It
also
was.
comes.
नहीं किल देखो, किल का जितना रिलीज था, किल का जितना हाइप था, किल का जितना स्टोरी था, किल को उतना मिला. किल अब रिलीज ही 1000 स्क्रीन्स पे हुई है अगर तो कितना ही ले लेगी.
I mean, you're right, but I think for me, Kill comes even in the category of like best film.
हाँ, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Action wise.
किल अंडररेटेड में नहीं आएगा. किल वुड बी लाइक a proper
So,
good special
unnecessary
mention.
release for me. I have a very clear film in mind, that is Love, Sex or Dhoka 2.
Bro, I'll tell
Really?
you,
Abbas loved it.
Yeah, Abbas loved the film. और मैंने film देखी and I was like, भाई अब्बास क्या भांग पी के देखता है बेचारे भाई. I swear, dude. But yeah,
I watched it in the theater and I was like, what I do after this? What do I do? Why have I watched this? What has just happened to my life? What just happened in the last 2 hours? All these thoughts were coming in my mind. Bhai, that is literally like, why? उस फिल्म का एक ही है, why?
मतलब अब्बास ने जब इस फिल्म की बहुत तारीफ करी थी ना, तो मैंने घर जाके देखी OTT पे.
तभी देखे क्या?
उसी के बाद देखी. मैंने कहा यार अब्बास नॉर्मली चलो उसको ठीक फिल्में पसंद है, तो मैं कहा चलो देख लेते हैं क्या होगा पिक्चर में.
करेक्ट. हाँ.
भाई कतई खराब फिल्म है
क्या
भाई.
बात कर रहे हो? इतनी खराब है क्या?
The thing is, so like when I spoke to Abbas after watching the film, I was like, क्या पसंद है आपको इस फिल्म में? And the only thing he said was, no, I get it, it's not for everybody.
अब्बास कोई पिक्चर उसकी अच्छी है, it's not for
In the
everyone.
name of niche cinema,
उन लोगों को
niche
डम बुला देता
audience-
है. तू डम है, तेरे को समझ नहीं आएगा.
niche cinema, niche audience के नाम पे कुछ भी बेचो नहीं चलता है.
Correct. Yeah.
It has to make some kind of sense. Like the climax of the film.
Oh हाँ
I don't even
dude.
care about spoiling. Like there is वो AI world में जा चुके हैं and the protagonist is like, मेरे साथ बोलो मैं खुश हूँ, हुलुलुलु मैं खुश हूँ, हाँ. And I'm like, what the
और वहाँ पे
fuck
फिल्म
is
क्लोज हो
happening?
जाती है.
That's it.
हाँ मतलब
That
it's so LSD2 is basically एक तरीके से वैसा है कि कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमें इतना अफेक्ट कर दिया है और हम टेक्नोलॉजी पे कितना डिपेंडेंट हो गए. रियल वर्ल्ड से हम लोग AI का वर्ल्ड ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं,
Got it.
या हम लोग अपने मेटा एवेटार्स ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं ओवर आर रियल लाइफ. ठीक है. आई थिंक इसके ऊपर इसी सेम टॉपिक पे अगर कोई एक अच्छी फिल्म आई थी तो वो थी कंट्रोल, CTRL,
और अच्छी लगी?
Yeah, and
विद अनन्या पांडे.
and the thing,
Dialogue
both-
by Sumukhi Suresh.
both made
Yes.
by Dibakar.
हाँ
No,
वो-
LSD2
हैं?
as well as Control.
No,
Both
that's
are-
Control is
Vikramaditya.
by-
Control Vikramaditya Motwani.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah. My bad.
No, it happens. No worries.
It's
Yeah,
fine
yeah.
यार. हम तो
हाँ.
रियलाइज भी नहीं करते, हम तो कर देते हैं रिलीज.
But both
फिर
are
बाद में
Phantom,
सॉरी
no.
लिखना
Both of
पड़ता है.
them are ex-Phantom or Phantom. No, that's why.
Yeah.
That's why I got confused. I think.
No, yeah. ठीक है. Yeah, but
But Control was an actually very good film.
Okay.
And Ananya, bro, like अगर ये कैटेगरी नहीं है, but then 2024 में I think one person who has reinvented herself
Yeah.
is Ananya Pandey.
Pandey.
Talking about Control, Sumukhi Suresh, son of comedian Sumukhi Suresh, who wrote the dialogues for Control, she did recently, like I think a week back, did a live interview, like in front of a live audience at a comedy club with Vikramaditya Motwani and his co-writer of Control.
Oh, nice.
And very good chat about writing, about the writing process. So you guys would really find it interesting if you are interested in writing and screenwriting
nice.
or screenplay or whatever.
But yeah, as I was saying, I think Ananya
Ananya.
Pandey is one person who's reinvented herself. She's
True.
chosen good roles.
I would say yes, agreed.
She's chosen the roles जो उसको पता है कि उसके
वो
strength
बे
है,
भी उसका
वो
अच्छा
कर
गया।
सकती. जैसे कॉल मी बे सही था. लास्ट ईयर आई थी, दिसंबर में ही आई थी, लेकिन
खो गए हम
खो गए हम कहाँ.
So, was very good.
Very good. And then अभी ये कंट्रोल. I think she's making some fab choices.
Yeah.
जो भी उसकी मैनेजिंग टीम चेंज हुई है या खुद मतलब अवेकनिंग हुई है, जो भी हुआ है, great.
But do you think she's stuck in like a rut of the
No,
same role?
I feel पता है बहुत लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि what is she doing different? She's doing roles जो उसी के मतलब एक
नहीं.
extension है. What if she's doing that? She's at least first
Doing that
क्योंकि
well,
उसको
yeah.
discredit इतना कर दिया गया था.
Exactly.
She's at least first finding her place
अब
before she
हाँ.
can
She's trying
make
to,
the
yeah, correct.
choices
I
to
would agree.
divert.
That
The
makes
thing
sense
is
to
कि
me,
ये ऐसे चॉइसेस करने के बाद जब वो अपना थोड़ा
Experimentation
footing
करेगी.
होगी.
एक क्रेडिट बिल्ड कर लेगी,
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक वो बेटर तरीके से बाकी रोल्स भी एक्सप्लोर कर
That
पाए.
makes sense.
but-
Yeah,
but
yeah.
all
People
the
will be,
last
also
few-
people will be more accepting.
Yeah, because
Once they accept you as a good actor, they let you experiment with other stuff.
Exactly.
Also.
True.
Exactly.
All the three last releases, Ananya
Yeah,
has done a very good
she's done a very good job. Her PR is doing a great job. Her management is doing a great job, and she herself is doing a very good job. I think she is one of like मतलब इस साल में अगर गुड बुक्स में कोई सेलिब्रिटी आया है तो that would be Ananya Pandey for sure.
True.
And what about Aditya Roy Kapoor? Her ex.
Bro, एक सेकंड देखो, ऐसा है दोस्तों, आदित्य रॉय कपूर कतई हॉट होता जा रहा है भाई. क्या हो गया उस आदमी
वो
को
तो है.
भाई? वो क्या कर रहा है भाई? उसका नया लुक देखा आपने?
नो शेव
नहीं.
नवंबर का फायदा तो उसी को
भाई
हुआ है.
इतनी दाढ़ी और बाल एकदम छोटे.
हाँ.
भाई साहब हॉटी AF और ऊपर से बल्क हो गया है भाई.
For some role, is it?
अब मुझे क्या मालूम भाई,
पता है?
बस ऐसा लग रहा है मतलब बहुत
उसकी
hot
फोटो
था।
कहीं दिखा देंगे
could be he's doing a web show now.
हो सकता है he did a great job at
Night Manager.
Night Manager
Night
went to
Manager.
Emmys, right?
Yeah.
Night Manager
Nominated
went
only.
for Emmys?
International Emmys में it was nominated. in
Nominated,
Best
yeah.
Drama.
Oh, okay,
I
wow.
guess.
But it was already a remake, by the way, of the Tom
Yeah.
Hiddleston
Yeah.
show. Yeah.
Still it was nominated
Yeah.
because remakes को नहीं मिलते ज़्यादा.
That's true, you're right.
nomination.
Yeah.
But very good.
It was the only Indian project to be nominated.
How did
Yeah.
did either of you watch Honey Bunny?
No, not.
Oh, I did.
We talked about it?
No, but अच्छा है, सही है,
हाँ,
decent है. Bro, वरुण धवन मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
मतलब
I love her.
मुझे बहुत
I
अच्छा
love
लगता है.
her.
मुझे लगता है वरुण धवन को जबरदस्ती ट्रोल करते हैं क्योंकि उसने एक दो फिल्म ऐसी करी जिसके अंदर वो थोड़ा ओवर द टॉप था.
वो कोली मैं तेरा हीरो.
But I think, but the thing is कि क्या रोल वो चीज डिमांड नहीं कर रहा था, आई गेस.
Yeah, yeah. Fair.
बिकॉज लाइक अगर वो एक गोविंदा की फिल्म का रीमेक कर रहा है एंड पीपल ऑल्सो लाइक वेंट अहेड टू से कि भाई ये गोविंदा के शूज फिल करने की कोशिश कर रहा है वगैरह वगैरह, ठीक है, आई गेट इट, आई कैन सी दैट. बट अगेन आई थिंक ही इज प्रूवन हिमसेल्फ टाइम एंड अगेन इन प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइक अक्टूबर. he's done a fab job in बदलापुर. कॉमेडी रोल्स तो वो करता ही है. आई थिंक इज वन ऑफ द genuinely funny guys in the newer generation जो एक्चुअली ऐसे रोल्स कैरी फॉरवर्ड मतलब कैरी क्या कहते हैं उसे कैरी आउट कर सकते हैं.
Although I feel troll तो होता
Wow,
नहीं.
this
वो
must be
बहुत
such.
under the radar चला जाता है.
Yeah.
I just feel
Oh,
that.
everything you guys
उसको
say about
troll
Varun Dhawan
होता
must be such a blowjob to his ego.
See, अब
Nice
ऐसा
call back.
ऐसा स्टेटमेंट अगर रणबीर कपूर देता तो वो
Yeah,
ट्रोल हो
it
रहा
would be,
था.
it's a blowjob to the ego, you know. It's a big blowjob to the ego. Yeah, yeah. It's a big blowjob to my ego.
Varun is starting.
Okay,
चलो, next.
we are done with overrated. We are
Also,
done
I
with
am looking forward to Baby John.
Baby John does look
Very
fucking good,
looking
yeah.
forward to Baby John. Is very
Agreed.
looking forward.
Agreed.
It's also a remake, by the way.
Tehri.
Tehri. हाँ.
Tehri, I don't know, but one of these.
Okay, bomb of the year.
Oh, bro, there's only one right answer to it.
मेरे लिए तो bad news है. काफी बड़ी.
Bomb of the year.
I mean,
No,
it
no,
was.
no.
Bro,
pretty
bomb
bad.
of the year
No,
has to be
that's
बड़े
बड़े
मियाँ
मियाँ,
छोटे
छोटे
मियाँ.
मियाँ.
बड़े में छोड़ो. Of course, you're right.
Bro,
actually.
bomb
Nothing can
of
be.
the
You're
year.
100% right. You're 100% right.
It has to be
Nothing can-
bomb. मतलब भाई ऑफिस बिक गया उसके बाद तो मतलब like what do I say, dude?
Nothing can beat that.
Yeah.
Like the thing is, I think अक्षय कुमार was the right choice to do it. Like
Production-
फिल्म ही खराब थी वैसे तो.
Production house कौन है?
भगनानी ना.
Oh, अच्छा.
जैकी
Pooja
भगनानी.
Entertainment.
पूजा एंटरटेनमेंट. तो आई थिंक अक्षय कुमार का कॉमेडी टाइमिंग उसमें भी अच्छा है बट कास्ट में कोई उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट ही नहीं कर रहा था.
It was supposed to be a जुगलबंदी और उसके
Yeah.
पास कोई side में
जुगलबंदी
खाने को
करने
bounce
वाला था नहीं उसके साथ. तो आई थिंक
Yeah, that's true.
टाइगर वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पाया.
But also, like, I don't understand this. Why did they have to make it such a like? So see, okay, I haven't seen the film. You both have seen the film.
या
Yeah. Is it a double role still?
नो
No.
So there's no double role.
It is a double role by the way.
हाँ वो एंड
In
में
a way.
एक सीन में आता है.
क्या कोई एक के दोनों के double role?
दोनों के double role.
दोनों के clones हैं. That is the double.
सो
Oh, shit, what a
बेसिक
pain, dude.
मुद्दा ये है कि इनके पास एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी, मैं एकदम ये टू द टी मुद्दा नहीं है, टू द पॉइंट मुद्दा नहीं है, ओवरऑल बता रहा हूँ आपको.
हाँ.
कोई एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जिससे इनके क्लोन्स बन सकते हैं और वो इन्हीं के जैसे, ये दोनों बेस्ट ऑफिसर हैं, बेस्ट टीम है. तो जो विलन है बेसिकली वो एक ऐसी रोबोज की आर्मी, एक आर्टिफिशियल
Oh, and
इंटेलिजेंस
इनके
है,
clones बनाना चाहते हैं.
इन्हीं के क्लोन्स बनाना चाह रहा है. सो व्हेन दे आर एंड में जब वो रोकना चाह रहे हैं उस चीज को, सो व्हेन दे आर फाइटिंग तो
खुद से fight करते
लड़
हैं.
रहे हैं एक
तो
तरीके से.
basically, dude, that entire
और
angle.
इसमें वो एंगल है, सॉरी, आयरन मैन का वो वाला एंगल है ना कि वील मेक अ शील्ड ऑन द अर्थ.
हाँ.
Oh,
क्या
इसके
क्या
अंदर-
क्या नाम था? कौन सा कवच?
कर्ण कवच.
कर्ण.
कर्ण कवच बिकॉज हमारी माइथोलॉजी में महाभारत में जो कर्ण थे उनके पास
कवच,
एक ऐसा
correct.
कवच था.
सूर्य
Yeah.
देवता ने दिया, correct.
Yeah, there was
So-
some
So I
And-
think that was कर्ण कवच. I think it was कर्ण कवच.
Okay. So the entire angle of having a chore, बड़े मियाँ, बड़े छोटे मियाँ, and a police
कुछ भी नहीं है.
That whole is lost too.
कुछ
that whole
भी
is
नहीं
lost.
है, कुछ
That's
भी
so
नहीं है.
stupid, dude. Why even
Yeah.
have that whole angle? Why call it बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ?
And it was disappointing because it was Ali Abbas Zafar film.
Yeah, dude.
Ali has given some good films.
Yeah.
Even commercial and even
Dude, and how much did they try to fucking build this, dude? This सलमान को डांस करवा दिया.
the
हाँ,
promotional
हाँ.
strategy was so
लड़की देखी मुझसे सीट बजे हाथ से ताली.
इतना ज्यादा promotion किया but like it resulted nothing.
Yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा promotion करते हैं यार.
It was the biggest bomb. I don't think
क्योंकि बजट भी बहुत ज्यादा था ना यार.
But so
Yeah.
it's an actual bad film, no then?
या
Like a very bad
reportedly
film, yeah.
तो वो था ना 350
350 करोड़.
budget and the earning was 40.
Man, Bhagnani तो सड़क पे आ जाएगा यार.
I think
The newlyweds.
he sold his office, no?
because of this movie.
Like, we don't know because of the
A
film
lot
or
of
not.
things happened after that कि मतलब non-payment वाले issues हुए.
But that's
आए थे मतलब जो
but हाँ
stories
पता
हैं.
नहीं exactly क्या है
अब
but
जो
ये
भी
जो
है,
इनका
but
main
like-
office था जो में I think they've sold that.
Oh, okay, fair enough. चलो ठीक है. Any property people look into that? I have no idea.
जो याद गया
This is over
क्या
to
था
close.
वो Verilas में घर चाहिए आ जाओ दिला
दिला
दूंगा.
देंगे.
Yeah, correct.
जो भी आपको चाहिए आ जाओ दिला दूंगा.
No chemistry on screen couple.
Bro,
of the
fuck.
year.
Then
I have
this-
a great one. Amy Virk and Tripti Dimri.
Bro,
Amy
that
Virk,
is-
Tripti Dimri, Amy Virk, Vicky Kaushal and Tripti Dimri.
मैं बताता
Everyone, all
हूँ
three.
देखो
Amy Virk, Vicky Kaushal had, but not
Yeah,
Amy Virk.
you're
Vicky
absolutely
Kaushal with
right.
Tripti Dimri.
मैं- Amy and Vicky had
मैं
both-
आपको बताता हूँ एमी विर्क तृप्ति डिमरी विकी कौशल
Vicky
तृप्ति डिमरी
Dimri.
राजकुमार राव तृप्ति डिमरी कार्तिक आर्यन तृप्ति डिमरी what the fuck is wrong with people dude?
बेचारी Tripti Dimri.
I swear
Tripti Dimri on the dance floor. Poor thing is getting trolled so bad
I
for dancing.
swear,
Dude.
yaar.
It is embarrassing almost now.
तृप्ति
Tripti just stopped dancing.
You know
dude.
that in the theater.
You know that
वो
you
सीन
know
काट
that
दिया
style?
हाँ
Have you
वो-
seen
the
Vicky
one-
Vidya?
वो अपने थिएटर में नहीं देखी ना
Theater में
थिएटर
they
में
had
वो
cut
सीन
that
काट
scene.
दिया
Oh, where she's belly
Yeah.
flipping
वो
dance.
काट दिया है
Oh, really?
ऑफ कोर्स यार इतना ट्रोल हो
Hilarious,
गया
dude. बेचारी इतना ट्रोल हो गई.
Yeah.
Oh well.
But yeah, I
Horrible
think-
chemistry, poor thing. Dude.
बट ये भाई लिटरली मेरे आई थिंक द टॉप भाई शाहिद कपूर विद कृति सैनन जो वो रोबोट प्ले कर रही है
हाँ.
हैड अ बेटर केमिस्ट्री
Oh,
देन
dude, Sorry, Kriti was damn hot in that. Dude.
And I will
मतलब
इतना-
हॉट हॉटनेस और केमिस्ट्री का क्या
correct,
relation
correct.
है?
I'm saying like as a robot.
Yeah,
okay,
of course,
she
for sure.
looked fucking stunning.
Obviously she
Okay?
is a stunning
Like
woman.
no, because it's supposed to be like one of those like a dream girl kind
Yeah.
of.
she
robots, no.
looks like a
She
dream
looks like a
I-
dream, right?
I think
Yeah.
वो मुझे कृति सैनन एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही अंडररेटेड एक्टर भी लगती है
I absolutely agree. Yeah.
I think she deserves the world and how in the film industry she's I think one of the most stunning actresses she's one of the most
Yeah.
talented actresses
Yeah.
she's amazing उसकी मतलब दो पत्ती में उसने क्या कमाल की परफॉर्मेंस करी है यार आपने देखी दो पत्ती
देखी नहीं, but I've heard of it.
what a
I
great
started to watch it
performance
and
in
then
दो
I-
Her
पत्ती
performance is great.
Performance is
Film
great.
Movie is okay. I heard. Yeah,
movie
yeah.
is decentish
Yeah,
but
And Tripti को भी I will defend her इतना कि her performance is not bad in
हाँ,
either of the films.
exactly
Her
तृप्ति
chemistry is,
तृप्ति
but her
का-
performance is not. She is doing a good job. It's just not translating into a chemistry. with the
तृप्ति
coach.
एक्चुअली हाँ मतलब एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू सेड कि तृप्ति में खराबियत नहीं है प्रोजेक्ट ही नहीं पैन आउट
हाँ,
The project he went out कर रहा. I think also somewhere maybe the directors that she's working with are not able to get or film the chemistry in the right way.
यार रोल्स ही
You know?
उतने यार द थिंग इज एक तो ऑडियंस ने उसको जब एनिमल के बाद डिस्कवर किया
हाँ.
तो लोगों को पता लगा कला और बुलबुल नाम की भी पिक्चरें करी हैं उसने
हाँ.
ठीक है पीपल आई एम श्योर मस्ट हैव गॉन बैक टू द फिल्म्स एंड वॉच्ड
Yeah.
देम नाउ ऐसी फिल्म्स में जो इस तरीके से उसने परफॉर्म किया है
भाई
And-
तेरा पूरा निप्पल दिखा पता है तूने ऐसे खोला ऐसे खोला तूने पूरा तेरा निप्पल वही बन गया वहाँ पे
ये game
pixelation-
रखेंगे है?
वहाँ पे-
Spot the nipple.
वहाँ पिक्सेलेशन लगा था वहाँ पे
आपका ध्यान क्यों गया इधर
Bro, उसने किया ऐसा मैं क्या बोलूं I was looking at him stretch for his thumbs up and suddenly I see the fucking
Anyway, so I was saying कि a lot of people might have like after discovering Tripti Dimri, they must have gone back to Kala, Bulbul, and all these films
Yeah.
that she's done.
yeah
And then the roles that she's done, like she's done there, versus the characters that she's getting to play in the mainstream cinema, they don't do justice also, no, to her talent.
that's what so you think now it's now see initially when she was doing all these roles right I was like let her make her money
Yeah,
it's
fair,
great.
fair.
Now I think it's come to a point where it's like dude don't
उसको अपनी credibility वापस बनाने की
Yeah,
जरूरत
exactly.
पड़ गई है बहुत जल्दी.
absolutely right, dude. You're absolutely
Because like I didn't expect कि एक ही साल में run out हो जाएगा ये सारा चीज.
correct
But
exactly.
I think she's had like 3 releases this
3
year.
releases this year.
3 and none of them
And
like भूल
उन
भुलैया
तीनों
3.
से अच्छी क्या चली है उसकी लैला मजनू री-रिलीज.
Yeah.
And that chemistry with Avinash that she has in the film.
That was so
like,
good.
That is chemistry.
See, एक तो I have like a hot take on Laila Majnu that okay, it's a good film, but I think Avinash takes the cake for me in the film. Like
Avinash is far.
Avinash is the person for me in the
Avinash
film.
is great.
बट व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग वाज कि तृप्ति डिमरी का चलो थोड़ा ओवरडोज हो गया है इस साल, नो डाउट. आई लव हर एज एन एक्ट्रेस. आई वुड ऑल्सो अग्री कि लाइक मेक योर मनी, लाइक डू समथिंग फॉर द सोल, डू समथिंग फॉर द स्टमक. बट द थिंग इज कि अब तुमने अब ऐसे रोल कर लिए हैं कि
इतने स्टमक के लिए कर लिया है.
अब ऑडियंस ऑनलाइन कहने लग गए कि भाई अंडररेटेड ही ठीक थी.
हाँ.
You know, so I think it's time to like pick up a project जहाँ पे
Acting chops.
you can basically be like कि दोस्तों I'm capable of this.
Yeah, correct. She needs some like, I don't know. So what is she to do? But also
उसकी गलती नहीं है. That's what I'm saying. But
it's her that management agent. So
But
whatever,
yeah,
dramatic,
I
whatever
think-
it is.
You also choose from what you are offered.
yeah.
Yeah, correct. You're right. Absolutely right.
और तुम घर पे तो नहीं बैठ सकते ना ये बोल के कि मैं
Fair,
तो काम ही
fair,
करूंगी,
fair,
करूंगी।
fair. I agree.
Like she's not at fault completely, but like somewhere she also
Like
has
as
to
an
be
audience
open-minded.
and as admirers of her work, we can say this. We are not
Yeah.
trolling her. We are not
Yeah.
like basically insulting her. It's just that we,
all of us are praising her.
yeah, we love her,
actually.
and that's why I would-
Absolutely, yeah, correct.
and that's why you would probably want to see her in something जो because भूल भुलैया 3 में like genuinely you've तो not watched it, both of us have watched it. भूल
If
भुलैया
she
3
wasn't
में,
there, I told
if she wasn't there, like her character in the film, if she wasn't there, there is literally 1% का भी change नहीं है.
Yeah.
I get
Nothing changes in the film
I get it.
if
yeah.
she's not there.
Okay, get it. I get it.
Nothing.
Okay.
तो I like for a person जो मुझे पता है कितना talent possess करता है, I wouldn't want
Like
this.
Okay,
in Bad
fair
News
enough.
also I felt like her role had the capacity to rule over, but it was just Vicky था साथ में and Vicky ate. Vicky just
Vicky
ate.
ate and
You
left no
couldn't-
crumbs.
You couldn't focus on anyone else when Vicky was there.
Yeah.
That worked against
For sure, dude.
fair enough.
For
Vicky.
sure.
Vidya तो छोड़ी दो. Let's not discuss that film.
Okay, next then. Should we do best cameo?
Yes,
Yeah.
best cameo.
Okay, so I.
Abbas on Pop Conversation.
Yes. अब तो आके तरस गई है. अब तो क्या बोले भाई. Abbas will love you, please come back. Yeah. Next, I would say, so mine is not exactly a cameo, but
Okay.
it's a proper supporting role.
Mhm.
But if you want to stretch the time that a cameo can take, maybe it's a cameo. Is Ravi Kishan in Lapata Ladies? That's a role.
नहीं वो तो proper role है.
Proper
यार,
role
वो
है.
तो proper role
So
है.
I don't have I couldn't think of a cameo.
So I have 2 in my list. The first one being Surya in Sarfira.
Okay.
जिस Surya is
Oh,
the
he's the
one
original
जिसने
actor.
original
Surya
करी है.
हाँ.
And then वो end में आता है जो 30 lakhs 35 lakhs जितने भी donate करता है.
Okay,
So I think that's a good cameo. That's a good callback. That's a good respect moment कि तुमने पहले किया तो अब like you are the one who's made the cameo.
He's the producer of the film.
He's the producer of the film also, yes. So that and the other one is Akshay Kumar in Stree.
Okay. Okay.
Bro,
Yeah, of
Akshay
course.
Kumar in Stree
Dude,
had
that was great. Of course.
had
How did I
the
forget
theater
that?
whistling and
Yeah.
how.
Dude, I loved it actually.
Yeah.
You're right. I
Yeah.
forgot on it completely.
I was gonna say all the 3 cameos in Stree 2, Akshay, Tamanna and Varun. I really like because
Varun,
they
yeah.
all 3 of them served a purpose.
Yeah, fair.
All 3 of them were good cameos and
Fair enough. Yep.
likable and मजा आया देख के.
हाँ,
It
हाँ.
wasn't like he just for the like Tamanna, it could have been just an item song, but they actually gave her
Part
A
of the film.
need.
Yes,
Correct.
yes.
Yeah, correct.
like a lot more than what Tripti had in Bhool Bhulaiya 3
Correct.
as
Correct.
an actress.
True.
You're right.
But so वो चीज है and Amar Kaushik I feel is the director who can actually do it.
Yeah, you
We
got.
don't have a category but best director Amar Kaushik, let's just say.
Okay.
this
Fair enough.
year.
Dude.
Fair,
enough.
fair.
Then let's get to the best actor actress of film.
Yes. Do you want to do new like one of like the big revelation Bollywood?
Oh man.
News, announcement, debut, everything comes under this.
So this will again. I think we'll end up discussing this in the trends wala episode also that we have upcoming.
Okay.
Dharma selling 50% of its stock.
Okay, fair.
Okay, I think that's huge.
Oh yeah, that's a huge news actually. What the fuck? ये मेरे
Also-
mind में क्यों नहीं आया?
Also because I think this means so much more. This firstly opens the door for other production houses also selling off stake. Okay, to just have more funds to be able to do bigger things and all they want. Okay,
Because budget constraints, I think now is a big thing in Bollywood.
dude, पैसे
Yeah.
बन नहीं रहे हैं.
Yeah, the thing. अभी I was reading something like 3 days ago where I read somewhere that Dawn 3 has been put on the back burner indefinitely because like the production house has not been able to gather the budget of 200 crores. They are actually looking for a 200 crore film और वो बजट वो लोग कवर मतलब एज इन प्रोक्योर ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो वो शूटिंग स्टार्ट, अब मुझे नहीं पता कितना सच है कितना नहीं है, बट आई वाज रीडिंग दिस
Okay,
somewhere.
fair. I get that, and again, kind of makes sense to me. That must be
because
difficult,
like
right?
now if you're making a film like Dawn 3, तो I think budgets तो ज़्यादा चाहिए ही होंगे यार.
Yeah.
Correct. So I think this is gonna change a lot
हो
of
सकता
things
है, हो
in
सकता
the
है,
industry.
हो सकता है.
Going forward, I think in the next 5 years, 10 years, you'll see a lot this happening a lot more.
Yeah,
Where-
we'll discuss upon this in the next episode,
Yeah, so please.
Yeah.
which
stay
we are
tuned for
gonna
that.
record
Yeah,
in the
I think
next
this
30 minutes.
should be the next episode.
Yeah, we will do
This
that.
part because वो
है ना?
वाला.
We
Yeah.
will do that. We will do
Yeah.
that. My biggest news of the year is actually like a discovery that Bollywood made, that the film industry made, was the acting potential of
Vedang Rai, no?
Raghav Juyal,
Oh,
dude.
thank God. Yes, Raghav Juyal is correct.
Raghav
You're right.
Juyal, what the fuck, dude? That man can fucking act, dude. भाई किल
I agree.
में उसने कमाल कर दिया.
कमाल कर दिया, yeah.
एक उसकी वेब शो आई है 11-11,
Yeah.
कमाल कर दिया उसने उसमें.
अच्छा.
And Yudhira में the only good thing about the film was Raghav Juyal.
Really? And he was a villain in Yudhira also?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
11-11 में वो विलन नहीं है.
Okay, got it.
उसमें विलन है किल में और युद्रा में. Dude, I love these stories where people from the outside, they build themselves up to a point where they make such huge high tides in the industry.
Correct, yeah, fair enough.
And मतलब like see, I am an actor. मैं एक यारी रोड के एक छोटे से घर में रह के हम लोग कुछ चीज़ों के सपने देखते हैं कि यार हम लोग अपने आप को यहाँ देखेंगे वहाँ देखेंगे. जिस तरीके से इंडस्ट्री के हाल चल रहे हैं, इतने ज़्यादा लोगों को उतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी शायद नहीं मिल पा रही, या मिल भी पा रही है तो वो कन्वर्ट नहीं हो पा रही, ट्रांसलेट नहीं हो पा रही. खैर उतने ज़्यादा लोग हम बड़ी स्क्रीन पे नहीं देख पा रहे.
Correct.
उसके बाद जब मैं ऐसे लोग देखता हूँ जिन्होंने एक कन्वेंशनल रूट शायद नहीं लिया, एक स्ट्रगल स्टोरी है, सबने अपना एक रास्ता बनाया, एंड देन फाइनली आई सी समवन देयर, डूड, इट ब्रिंग्स टीयर्स टू माय आईज कि भाई ये इस बंदे ने अचीव कर लिया. और उस बंदे ने
मैं नहीं कर पा रहा.
नहीं एक्चुअली इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस इमोशन इट इवोक्स एकदम टोटली ऑपोजिट इमोशन कि भाई हम कर सकते हैं, ये हो सकता है, ये पॉसिबल है. 1 लाख में एक नहीं कर सकता तो हो सकता है 1 करोड़ में एक बंदा कर सकता हो. बट every person living with this dream thinks that he or she or them is gonna be that one person in that 1 crore.
Yeah,
And
sure.
I will always be thankful to people like Raghav Juyal जो ऐसी होप जगा के रखते हैं सबके अंदर, बिकॉज ये बहुत जरूरी है, नहीं तो इंडस्ट्री कभी थ्राइव ही नहीं कर पाएगी.
Correct, yeah, fair
और
enough.
लोग सपने ही नहीं देख पाएंगे. एंड आई थिंक hats off to Raghav Juyal. I loved his work and I wish more and more and more success
I definitely want to see him more often. dude.
to him.
Yeah.
I completely agree. I was gonna say Raghav, and you have covered mostly everything. Wo, and I really liked the finds of the year. One was Sharvari, because I felt
Yes.
isse pehle she was not getting roles where she could actually flourish or maybe
Yeah.
showcase. And this year she actually, like, people remember Munjia and Veda, but like Maharaj, what
महाराज ने बहुत अच्छा काम
she
किया
has done.
Oh, really?
Maharaj, she's the best part of the film.
आमिर के बेटे वाले.
जो उसने एक रोल पकड़ा है, the Guju accent and the
very good
aura,
job.
the personality. Sharvari is fab in that.
वेदा में भी अच्छा काम किया उसने.
Veda में
Yeah,
भी.
God, yeah.
And one more person I really liked because very उतना नहीं जानते उसको लोग, but I have actually known him, his journey from a little before, is Abhay Verma.
Oh yeah, he's also very good.
He has done Family Man, he has done Safed, he has done these small things and no one ever noticed him.
Okay.
And Munjia ke baad he became the Munjia guy.
Oh, that the lead
The
of
lead
Yeah.
of
Oh,
them,
okay,
yes.
okay.
And he got so much love and acceptance, and it felt so personal to
Yeah.
see his success, because I literally met him for the first time on a roadside on a momo stand.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I still today, whenever I talk to him, I tell him this, ki we met at the momo stand, and it's so good to see कि उसको
Momos
वो
पसंद है.
acceptance भाई. But and now he's getting to do a film with
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
So like
What?
he's doing King na.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
cool.
reportedly, guys. मतलब
Oh, one of my
अभी
friends.
तक तो.
Okay, one of my friends also is doing a role in
Suhana Khan.
How I wish, but anyway.
Your favorite role, favorite.
But one of my friends is also doing a small role in King, and I am so happy, dude, for her. Like उसने एक story डाली थी कि बस एक सेट से एक फोटो एंड नीचे शाहरुख को टैग किया हुआ था, तो मैं उससे समझ गया कि ये किंग में सेट में फ़ोन ले जाना अलाउड नहीं है अंदर, तो उसने बाहर से खींची हुई थी फोटो. Shout out to I don't know whether she wants me to take her name or not, but like anyway.
Okay, fair enough. Fucking awesome, man. Good for her.
Very proud. बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार जब अपने आसपास के लोग एक्चुअली वो कर पा रहे हैं ना जो हम लोग सारे यहाँ करने आए हैं. तो
But very happy for Abhay this year, and like these three people I really felt happy to see their success. Raghav, Sharvari and Abhay.
yeah, true for sure.
Agreed,
Also.
agreed, totally agreed.
Wholesome कर दिया हमने episode.
Talking about Raghav Johal,
Yeah.
he was actually nominated my best actor
Oh nice.
because of Kill, dude. I
Yeah.
liked him so much.
He
in
was
Kill.
very good. Very good. I think अब तो top 3 ही बचे हैं हमारे.
Correct. So basically, the thing is, no.
Best actor, best actress, best film, right?
चलो सेगवे मिल ही गया तो बेस्ट एक्टर में घुस ही जाते हैं.
ठीक है, तो best actor, my choice number 1 is Raghav Johal in Kill.
Okay.
He wasn't the male lead, but he was the negative lead
Yeah.
in the film. So best actor I think applies.
Yeah.
Great. Again, you've talked enough about why he was this good in the film. Another actor that I really want to shout out because he was fantastic in the male lead role of his film was Sparsh Srivastav in Lapata Ladies.
Yeah, he was very good.
Okay, he was excellent.
Very good.
Okay, for
Yes,
me,
I
Sparsh
agree.
Srivastav came out, that entire cast.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
The 2 actresses in the film
Yeah.
are in my best actress.
Same.
performances.
मेरी
Okay.
best actress is the leading girl from Lapata Ladies, Pratibha
Correct.
Rana.
Pratibha Ranta
Yes.
and Nitanshi Goyal also. I want
Nitanshi
to give her
Goyal
a shout
also,
because
yes,
she's
for
really
sure.
good.
Yeah.
But Pratibha Ranta, I feel like got more to do in the film.
Yeah, that's why. That's why. I
and a
think.
more fun track also was hers, right? So that's why I think she stands out a little more. But all 3 of these people,
Yeah.
for me, came out of nowhere, but fucking blew me away. Dude,
Yeah,
by
I
how
agree.
I like. So the thing is, no, understated acting, like the natural type of acting, I feel like is so much more difficult than doing the whatever this thing, whatever that extra energy acting, like the theater acting for TV. When people seem like they're acting for stage, but they're doing that for the camera,
Yeah.
that stands out.
Yeah,
You know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
A lot of people do that.
Yeah,
still, right? These guys were so completely devoid of that.
Yeah.
They feel like seasoned actors. Like they've been doing this for their entire lives. They were born to do this. Fucking amazing, dude. So huge shout out to all that entire cast of Lapata Ladies. and the
Lapata
director.
Ladies was actually my special mention.
Okay.
That because anyway, it was my I think the film received the appreciation that it
Dude, there is some talk of
received.
it being nominated international Emmys from India.
And I
Or is
think
it
वो
me?
Oscar
It has
Sorry, it
gone
has
as
Oscars.
India's
हाँ
official
इंडियाज
entry.
But it's
ऑस्कर
gone?
एंट्री गई है
Okay,
वो.
then
That's what
I
I'm saying
have
कि
heard
उसको
that
एक
before,
अच्छा appreciation मिला है, recognition मिला है.
Yeah.
I just wanted to mention
Yeah,
Lapata Ladies.
everyone except Sandeep Reddy Wanga loved the film.
Abbas also.
Abbas didn't. No, Abbas liked Lapata Ladies.
Abbas was like कि इतनी भी कुछ
Yeah,
नहीं.
उसको हाँ. It was fucking Abbas. dude.
Abbas
And
को
you can-
And he
And-
loved
yeah.
LSD too.
and you're like where is Abbas? Saalo.
Yeah, you guys want him back, dude? Really?
But anyway, my best actor nomination was actually 2 people. Number 1, Vijay Sethupathi for Maharaja, and Diljit for Chamkila.
Wait, would Maharaja count as a Bollywood film? Are we counting others?
Bhai, Maharaja is also my best film actually.
So
I
because the
loved
thing is,
Maharaja.
because the thing is, in my best actor category, I had also thought of Fafa for Avesham.
Oh,
Fucking amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's not go south abhi fir. South will be a different
तो-
because they will overpower
where do we
a lot
stop
of
then?
हाँ तो फिर तो I think फिर तो मेरे पास दिलजीत ही है for चमकीला.
Okay, Diljit for
Okay.
Chamkila. Alright.
Bro कमाल का काम किया है दिलजीत. आपने देखी है चमकीला?
नहीं यार.
Bro, you should definitely watch it. Diljit has killed it and how in Chamkila, and she was also very good.
Yeah.
परिणीत चोपड़ा, very good film. इम्तियाज अली obviously लोगों को इंटरनेट पे तो वैसे ही बहुत पसंद है. पता नहीं थिएटर में क्यों नहीं जाते. But anyway, तो I think the great storytelling.
But that's because this movie released on
नहीं
Netflix.
इस मूवी की बात नहीं कर रहा मैं वैसे ही.
अच्छा.
There's this online
लोग थिएटर जाके बैठ रहे हैं क्या यार पिक्चर दिखा
there's this online joke of sorts where people are where जहाँ पे इम्तियाज अली का फोटो है and people are saying कि जब साला OTT पे रिलीज होती है तब तो तुम लोग कल्ट बोलते रहते हो, हॉल में देखने नहीं जाते, पैसे मेरे बनते नहीं है, OTT पे आके तुम लोग कल्ट चलाने लग जाते हो.
Well, what are you gonna do?
But yeah,
It is
anyway,
what it is.
my then best actor would be Diljit for Chamkila.
Right?
Okay, I have a couple. So I'll start with
नहीं कपल नहीं, हमें लड़के ही बोल रहे हैं ब्रो. बेस्ट एक्टर मेल है.
Very good. इतना अच्छा joke. Very good. मैं तो ऐसे लिख के खोल के बैठा हूँ because
हाँ.
I have to see. So I'll start with
One thing
chronologically.
I don't know why.
Madhavan from Shaitan.
हाँ.
Oh
ठीक
yes.
है. Next
Okay.
would be Diljit from Chamkila.
Okay.
Agreed.
Uh,
सारे नहीं हो सकते बेस्ट एक्टर हाँ.
I know. I would say Lakshya and Raghav both from Kill.
Okay, fair enough.
ठीक है, because
Nice.
both of them,
Played their role very
according
well.
to me,
Yeah.
were amazing. Just for the sake, he carried the film all on his own. Vicky for Bad News, just because he carried the whole film.
He
on
did
his
carry
own.
the whole film. Yes, you're
ठीक
right.
है, so it's a special mention. Not saying he deserve. बाकी, I think that's हाँ. ये उसके बाद कुछ और नहीं है. Yeah. So
Okay.
these people.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Madhavan was fab.
Madhavan was actually very
Also just because it re-released, but I have to say Avinash Tiwari for Laila Majnu.
Okay. Okay.
Let's just say Avinash Tiwari.
So like the actors I mentioned, my best actors were Raghav Juel and Sparsh Srivastava. But there's one actor who actually, if I go by how much I enjoyed the film, I've watched it since and had a great time also. Fucking was Amitabh Bachchan in Kalki 2898 AD.
Oh, वो अच्छी थी.
Okay, Amitabh was
Amitabh was
a
great.
beast, dude.
Yeah.
He was a beast.
He was great in the
He
film.
was
Yeah.
We
awesome.
should have mentioned Amitabh.
Yeah,
We
he-
should have all.
You know, like
Yeah.
I feel like every time Amitabh was on screen in the movie, I was fucking spellbound.
मैं उसी
Yeah.
टाइम मतलब उसी टाइम पसंद आई थी मुझे फिल्म जब अमिताभ
Yeah.
बच्चन था.
Exactly. I get it. Fair enough. Yeah. So I was spellbound. I think the whole aspect of how they made him look a lot taller and bigger
Taller,
than everyone else
yeah.
around him really worked in his favor and really did well. Man, so Amitabh being now he's an aged person. Is this what it is, right? Like 80 plus, I imagine, right? How old is? So Amitabh is now an aged actor, right? An aged person.
82 I guess.
Something like that, right? 82.
70s.
Late
What?
70s, early 80s.
82?
I don't know.
Okay, whatever. So even so, basically him being as old, like Ashwatthama supposed to be old now, right? So
Yeah.
being old worked into the film,
Yeah.
but still, dude, he has a boisterous personality that fucking shone through, and
बहुत
I
सही था,
was
बहुत सही था.
really,
You're right. You're
I was
right.
really sold
Amitabh,
by
Amitabh was
how great
great.
Amitabh was.
Amitabh,
Amitabh was
And-
great in the film.
And what was Prabhas doing? He was like a joker, yeah. Arshad Varsi, come on.
अरशद वारसी love you as an actor. And as मुझे लगता है अरशद वारसी बहुत फन इंसान भी होगा real life.
बहुत ज़्यादा फन इंसान है.
बहुत फन इंसान होगा
Dude,
life
I
में.
think Arshad, you watch in any interview of
Yeah.
Arshad Varsi, he's amazing because he doesn't take himself too seriously. Okay,
He's
any
kind.
artist who
Plus
takes him too seriously,
intelligent है बहुत
very
ज़्यादा
intelligent.
भाई,
Dude,
बहुत intelligent है.
I thought, dude, you know, dumb people can't be funny.
Yeah.
You have to be an intelligent person to be funny. That's just what it is.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Okay, so that's why he's supremely funny. Raju Rani is a funny person. You know,
Shahrukh is funny.
Shah Rukh is hilarious
very
as
funny.
fuck.
Shahrukh is hilarious.
Shah Rukh is
Very
hilarious.
funny.
Yeah, exactly.
One of the
Okay.
wittiest person in the industry.
Sorry. Okay, best actor done.
Best actress is Pratibha Ranta for me.
Pratibha Ranta is great.
Lapta
I
Ladies.
also wanted to say again, but Buckingham Murders say Kareena, she was very good.
But my special mention would actually be Kriti Sanon from
To Dopatti,
Dopatti.
okay.
She's done a
Dopatti
very
is-
good job. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी Dopatti में. Kriti तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी.
Okay, fair enough. देखनी है यार.
A choice he won't like. Alia from Jigra.
निकाल
I'm
Abbas.
Alia fan. I
यार
am
मैं भी
Alia
मतलब
fan.
आलिया फैन हूँ बट देख मुझे
No,
जिगरा
no.
मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी जिगरा. हम दोनों की एक्चुअली थोड़ी सी तो आर्ग्यूमेंट ही हो गई थी एपिसोड में
Yeah.
कि जिगरा
So,
बट
ठीक है, Alia Jigra contentious choice, but like I would say Ananya from Control.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, good. Okay,
I would
nice,
say Ananya
nice,
from
nice.
Control
I
because
see that.
it was something that she shouldered the film on her own, and she did a fab job at it.
yeah she did a very good job, no doubt about it.
Like cast wise, I agree. Lapata Ladies is very good. All
Supreme,
three of
yes.
them supporting each other. But Ananya took control of Control, and she did it so well.
Yeah.
Right,
For that,
fair
I would
enough.
say.
I see that. I feel that.
ठीक है. Best film.
Best.
The biggest award of the night,
So
ladies and gentlemen.
there are quite a few. Like basically, I have top 3.
Okay.
I'll tell you why they're top 3, and then I'll break it down.
मेरी तो बेस्ट फिल्म आप लोगों ने मना ही कर दी बट एनीवे महाराजा थी मेरी बेस्ट फिल्म.
Oh, अच्छा. Okay, sorry, bro. नहीं चल तेरे को दिया.
महाराजा थे. हाँ. Shout out to that guy who draws
So-
Maharaja parallels for
So
Abbas.
all these 3 films that I'm going to mention, I've already talked about in various other categories.
Yeah.
Kalki, because of how unique it was.
Yeah.
Okay, there's nothing else like
I
Kalki
also
that
love-
worked. Brahmastra did not work. All the other predecessors to that,
Bro,
with effects, with a story that did the thing, did
I
not work.
agree with the
Kalki
uniqueness.
really worked, okay, and worked I think very well for what it did. So is there for me. Kill is there for me because of this. Again, very unique. Bollywood has never seen anything like this. All out fucking action and brutal. People are getting killed like in brutal ways where every time you see that happen, like, oh dude. You know, that was my fucking movie going experience. It was great. And then, of course, Lapata Ladies was amazing in various ways. So these three. But if I had to choose one, Kill. Nothing like that.
I think maybe like now that अगर मुझे on the spot change करना पड़े तो जो मेरे mind में आ रहा है, that I think will have to be Kill.
Also, to the point, Kill was so good. It's already been licensed by other countries, directors and all.
इसी ने ले ली भाई, John Wick के makers ने ले लिया Kill.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Yeah.
That's amazing, dude. So basically, what I'm saying is the action is good enough for international directors who do action all the time. John Wick, dude.
Yeah, John Wick
That's
वाके
ridiculous to me.
उन्होंने
That's crazy. So,
and मुझे Kill भी अब्बास को पसंद नहीं थी ज़्यादा. He was also
Oh, I think that's why Abbas is not coming back. यार मुझे पसंद तो आता नहीं है.
The thing is कि मतलब anyway, so Kill का concept भी मुझे अपने में बहुत complete लगा था. बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे कहीं भी कुछ भी force fit नहीं लगा Kill के अंदर. बहुत अच्छी लगी थी मुझे.
I agree.
बहुत मजे, बहुत हम दोनों ने साथ देखी थी.
नहीं.
मैं Kill पता नहीं किसके साथ
I
देखी थी.
love the beauty shots of blood in that film.
अच्छा हाँ, तू screening पे देख कर आया था.
तुम्हारा हो गया?
Kill हाँ, मैं भी Kill ही बोलूँगा.
So for me, Kill is obviously there, one of the three, but I'll go very mainstream in this.
Fighters!
Most fun I had while watching a movie this year was 3-2.
Okay.
Loved the ambience, loved the experience, loved it all.
I have 3-2 written down also in my best films, but I didn't say it.
3-2, so hands up, 3-2.
Madgaon Express was another option for me. But 3-2, dude, I would agree. One of the best movie going experiences this year.
One of the best movie going
experiences.
True.
Excellent.
Any film that you're actually looking forward to in 2025?
मेरे को अभी याद ही नहीं आ रहा क्या रिलीज हो रही है.
तुम्हें माइंड में कोई?
King is not 2025. Right?
It is.
Then King तो है ही obviously. Then Alpha I'm looking forward to.
Okay.
Alpha में कौन है?
Sharvari and Alia. Isn't it 26?
25. Christmas 25.
I think it will be pushed to 26.
What is
25 में तो War 2 आ रही है ना?
That is August 2025 अभी तक.
Bro, there is a movie in the making with Ranbir, Vicky and Alia.
Love and War.
So
वो भी push हो गई.
That was supposed to come 25 Christmas. It has got pushed to March 26.
Okay.
तभी अल्फा उन्होंने 25.
मेरे ख्याल से अल्फा भी पुश हो जाएगी. मुझे लग रहा है I think
अल्फा की शूट पूरी चल रही है भाई शुरू.
I think मुझे लग रहा है स्पाई यूनिवर्स का एक ही फिल्म रिलीज करेंगे वो नेक्स्ट ईयर. Which would be War 2.
Okay, चलो देखते हैं.
You never know.
Let us know.
Same year.
Same year, yeah, you're right.
Let us know what movie would be, what movie actor actress would be in all these categories that we mentioned.
Yeah, and what are your winners for all the categories?
Yeah.
We would like.
What are you looking forward to 25?
Yeah, और अगर हम लोग
I think we forgot to mention someone special.
Oh, please let us know. Please shout.
अच्छा हाँ, please. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है हमने कोई कैटेगरी मिस कर दी या कोई एक और फन कैटेगरी हो सकती थी या इन कैटेगरीज में हमारे जवाब गलत थे और तुम्हारे पास बेटर ऑप्शंस हैं, प्लीज ड्रॉप इन द कमेंट्स एंड और क्या
और बस एंजॉय लाइफ
और क्या
तुम आए तो
हम लोग अब्बास से करवा रहे हैं क्या कि सारे अपनी लिस्ट के आंसर्स
हम देखते हैं,
देख लेंगे. देखो अगर यहाँ पे आपको अब्बास का वीडियो दिखा तो इसका मतलब हमने करवाया है, नहीं तो we'll see you next year.
I thought we got into something. Okay, yes, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you've enjoyed everything that we put out.
अरे लास्ट में सरप्राइज कर मतलब प्रॉमिस कर रहा था तौबा.
Yes, we'll get to that. That'll be the complete end. That'll be as we go.
अच्छा ये आधा एंड है.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, guys, huge shout out. You guys have been very supportive.
Yes.
What a year 2024 has been for us and this channel and my own channel.
We started 2024.
Exactly, we started 2024.
Yeah.
So what a great year, and we're hoping to grow more and give you a lot more awesome episodes of this show and hopefully more shows on this channel.
Yes. Very soon.
Very, very soon. So please stay tuned. Please tell your friends about all the content that we've been putting out. Check out all my other shows. Popcorn Ocean dekhi rahe ho. Check out That Filmy Game Show. Check out Spender Bender. Check out Crickheads. I'm going to be involved with some other big podcasts, hopefully coming soon. So please stay tuned for that announcement. Snail. Please follow me on Instagram. Yes.
Please follow him on Instagram. और जब ये एपिसोड रिलीज होगा तब तक आई थिंक अंतरिक्ष की शादी हो चुकी होगी.
अरे हाँ.
तो आप तो all those girlies who are trying to woo him, he's
sorry boss.
He's off the market now, so you can drop in your क्या congratulations
Oh, अच्छा. I
in
thought, so you can drop your numbers for Snehal instead. That's what I thought.
ये मेरा ऐसा lead in था. But anyway, follow me on Instagram, which is @snehal, and do subscribe to the channel.
All the women heartbroken. Antariksh's
Yeah.
wedding. Please
Yeah.
contact Snehal.
Do subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. अपना जो है थोड़ा सा ढीला पड़ गया. I get it. अब्बास आ जाएगा, बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा. ऐसा लग रहा है अब्बास के बिना मैं चैनल नहीं देख रहे हो यार. हर जगह का साला अब्बास कहाँ है अब्बास? But anyway, he'll come back. Please do subscribe to the channel. Drop in comments, drop in your suggestions, drop in some अगर आप लोग को लगता है कि हमें कोई नए फॉर्मेट ट्राई करने चाहिए, do drop that in the comments. हम लोग एक्चुअली सजेशंस लेते हैं यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हम लोग एंड हम क्रेडिट भी देते हैं कि इसका सजेशन हमने लिया है. सो डू ड्रॉप इन एंड या फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम @snehal.
Guys, please like, share, and what?
Subscribe.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, please tell us new ideas
Yes.
on what we can do, topics you would like us to discuss. I'm saying us as if I'm a permanent part. I'm not, but these two are, so they will carry it forward.
नहीं अगर तुम्हें आकाश पसंद है तो ये आता रहेगा, कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
Yeah.
मैं तो आता ही हूँ, इसको साथ लेता हूँ. क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Correct.
Yeah, but follow me on
But
Instagram.
नहीं, one thing that I would actually want to say on the podcast is a big thank you to this
Huge
guy.
thanks to
A
Akash. Thank you.
huge thanks to this guy because
तेरे बिना होता नहीं
नहीं
भाई
हो
ये।
पाता. हम लोग literally 2 महीने के लिए चैनल डॉर्मेंट करना पड़ता.
Correct, bro. Snehal and I have tried episodes with just the two of us.
वो नहीं वर्क करते.
There's something off.
कुछ
You
नहीं
know?
हो क्योंकि हम दोनों ही हाइपर एक्साइटेड
Correct. We need someone with more
हाँ.
baseline energy.
And actually, I'll tell you a very fun thing. I received a compliment for you, and I'll read it out to you.
Yeah, it was from a girl who was heartbroken that I was getting married.
And
And she was like, hey, Akash.
it was actually from a girl.
And she messaged Snail for Akash.
Oh, Akash, there you go.
Yeah. She was actually from a. It was actually from a girl. She said, Akash seems like a very cool guy. He knows his stuff, and he's very articulate about his thoughts. So I would love to have a conversation with you and Akash together, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि तुम लोग के साथ मुझे काफी चीजें जानने को मिल जाएंगी of
So
Bollywood.
she wants to talk to the two of you?
Yeah, मतलब you also.
No, that's fine. No, I'm completely fine with it. I thought she's like a couple counselor.
She's like कि अगर मुझे
कभी हमारे घर आके हमारी conversation
बॉलीवुड डिस्कशन करना हो तो शी वाज लाइक कि मैं तुम दोनों के साथ कर सकती हूँ.
Nice.
भाई कभी हमारे घर आके हमारी conversation
मत
सुनो, सारा तुम्हारा मन चला जाएगा वो वाला.
But yeah, we'll probably see you next year. और अगर ये एपिसोड हमने बीच में कहीं दिसंबर में रिलीज कर दिया तो we'll see you next week.
Yes,
I was
sir.
just saying my Instagram handle when he cut me. Please follow me
When he cut
@AkashVatragan7. Now, please continue.
Yes, yes, thank you so much. Again, very happy New Year. Very Merry Christmas. And
We'll see you.
you.
We'll
Bye-bye.
see you.